This side I have not touched yet, the other side I have, and the difference is just night and day. This headliner came out of a car that was parked in a barn for 6 years, and it had a big mouse infestation and a lot of other stuff going on. A lot of the stuff that had happened in the car was hidden behind panels, and as you can see with this headliner, the mice were just up underneath the headliner, between the headliner and the roof, and just caused a complete mess. I've been using Nature's Miracle on this to clean it up, and I have been completely blown away by the results. I've recorded some footage of me removing the stains in real time so you can see how well it works and how quickly it works. I'm treating it a couple different times, going over it to get up everything, but as you can see here, as it's working, like even from when I first spray it on, it's starting to go to work. It's wiping away all the gunk, transferring it to the paper towel I'm using, and the final result is way better than it was when I first pulled this out of the car. You might also be wondering if it will bleach a light fabric, but as you can see, it's color safe and it's pet safe once it's dry. And this is a lot better than using a cleaner that doesn't have an enzyme, because the ones that don't will just mask the smell. Enzymes help break the odor down at its root. It did an amazing job at getting most of the stains out. I mean, just look at the difference here. This side, again, I've not treated. This side I have, and as you can see, the difference is just night and day. It's amazing how much of the stains the Nature's Miracle Advanced was able to get out of this. It's an incredible product. It has a good smell to it, and if you have any kind of an issue, like with kids or with pets making messes where you need an enzyme cleaner to clean it up, Nature's Miracle Advanced is a winner in my book. And here you can see the finished result. I think it did pretty good. Now, obviously, it didn't get it 100%, but this is like some areas where the stains and everything were kind of wicked in between the fabric, kind of where these cutouts are. So instead of being able to attack this directly at the surface like most of it, these areas here just kind of went inside. And so it's not that it couldn't get this off, it's just it can't get into this area. So I'm going to have to do some other things for this to treat it. But all in all, Nature's Miracle Advanced worked really, really well. Hands down, I would definitely get this again.